Friends, welcome back to my channel. Okay y'all, so today I'm just doing like a little vlog of everything that I'm doing. I went to the gym, I'm gonna tan, I plan to go to the store later, and then we're also going to Tulips later, so I'm super excited about that. We're going with friends, and me and Jonah, and so I'm like ecstatic. Sorry, I'm like out of breath. Anyways. Oh, do I have a necklace tan line? Oh, I totally have a necklace tan line. Wait, that's so bad. Okay, it's not that bad actually, but it's fine. I'll take them off anyways. Alright, so I just had to do the intro because I kind of forgot earlier, but back to the video. Y'all, I am going to the gym right now. This is the gym fit. I just have a white tank on and I'm wearing blue shorts and my old house. Yeah. I'll have to intro this video a little bit more when I get back because I didn't do that, but anyways, I'm going to the gym right now. So I literally just got back from the gym. We did a bunch of leg stuff. We did, or not a bunch, we did several. We did squats, we did leg press, we did calf raises, and then we did leg extension, is that what it's called? I think so, I kind of forgot. Anyways, my legs are literally dying, especially because we went on a run yesterday for the first time. Like, we're in our athletic era. Like, look at us not being fat for once. Good for us. What was I gonna say? Yeah, yesterday we went on a 1.5 mile run, and that was, like, so bad. Like, it wasn't that bad. Like, because I keep saying, like, oh my gosh, I want to be a runner. Like, I would love to be, like, a little athletic runner, baddie girl. That was so bad, actually. Okay, but anyways, I bought a gym membership, so now I have one, and they have a pool there, thank the goodness, because that means I can swim over the summer, which is goodness, because last summer I barely swam at all, and then it was really bad, and then yeah, this year it's a whole thing. Coach is like, y'all need to swim over the summer, the incoming freshens are like really good, and like da-da-da-da-da. And like, I'm gonna be a senior next year. Like, I need to make sure I get on the team. If I don't get on the team, we're gonna have a problem. Anyways, y'all, my legs hurt so bad I can't bend over anymore. Okay. Anyways, yeah, so hopefully we'll be athletic queens and go over the summer, just because I feel like, I don't know, I want to start good habits before I go off to college. So the goal is to go like the rest of this week, and then we'll start going like every Saturday, and if we can, we'll go on Sundays too. But for now, it's just, and then during the summer, we'll go like every day, obviously. But for now, you know, we don't have much of an option, because like neither of us is gonna want to go after school. So right now, I am cleaning some shoes. Okay, hold on. I'm cleaning these shoes because we're gonna try to sell them. I don't know how it'll work, but it should be fine. Oh, I remember what I was going to get. Yeah, whenever I go sell these shorts, I'm gonna try to sell those as well. I have no idea what I look like right now, so if I look really busted, I apologize. It's probably my hair. Anyways, I'm tanning right now. I'm probably gonna tan for like 20 minutes, maybe like 20 more, like, because I already tanned my front. And now I'm tanning my back a little bit. I normally don't tan my back very much, so I probably won't be out here long. And then after I finish, I'm gonna go get ready. But can you see the progress of the tan line? Oop, I can't see anything. So hopefully you can see. Also, I'm so sorry for my busted hair. Okay. I'm inside now. BT dips. I'm getting ready for the day because I'm looking a hot mess. So yeah, I'm getting ready. Also, this is my lip liner stain, and I'm telling you, it's like literally the best thing ever. Like, I 110% recommend, and it literally stays like all freaking day long. I don't know if I've already said that in another video, but here we are again because I just love it so much. It's the lip liner stain. Okay, anyways, this is the shade Pinked, and it's from Sachu Beauty. Can you see that? I'll put it on the screen. But Sachu Beauty in shade Pinked. Anyways, I'm gonna finish doing my makeup, and then I'm gonna go do thrifting and drop off those shorts and then those shoes. And then hopefully find an outfit for tulips today. Yippee! I'm only like halfway done with my makeup. Like I only put like one eye of mascara on. So I'm like, look kind of funny. But, and anyways, I just put on the lip liner. I like peeled it off. Hello? It's so pretty. I love it. Anyways, life hack to peel it off. Well, actually, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I didn't like realize it was a peel off the first couple times I was using it, and so I was sitting there like scrubbing it off my lips. Do not do that. Literally don't. Like, don't. It'll make it so much harder, and then it like doesn't come off, and it's like purple, and it just like doesn't look good. This nice pink, yes ma'am. Anyways, like it starts to dry, right? So I recommend like going like that. Like as soon as you like open your mouth, it starts to peel off on the edges, and then you can just like literally peel it off, and then it like, these are the remnants. Like it's literally like a peel. And then I recommend getting like a Q-tip, and then just, you can put some water on it, and then you can like soften the edges. So see how it's not like so aggressive. Like it's definitely there, but it's not like an aggressive line, because I like rubbed it out kind of. And then I just put a lip oil on top of it. Hold on, I'll show you. I'm using, oh, that's not this lip oil from e.l.f. It's the crystal baller one. I literally love it so much. Here we go. Stunning. And then it's like so pretty. Anyways, best lip combo ever. Okay, I am now on my way to go drop these shorts off and the shoes, and to hopefully go shopping and look for what I'm wearing tonight, or in like an hour. Since my makeup is all done and everything, like I should be able to just like get dressed and go. And then I have a backup plan. If I can't find anything like cute that I want to wear, I'll just wear jean shorts, and I have this top that I can wear. Yeah. Also, I was gonna tell y'all this when I was tanning, but I low-key forgot. Life hack, if you have like dark arm hair like me, and you don't feel like shaving it all the time, I 10 out of 10 recommend getting like hair lightener. I have some like I have some Bum Bum one, and it's literally like the best thing ever. I don't recommend putting on your hair. I did that last year, and my hairdresser told me it was like really bad for my hair, so don't do that. But I put it on like my arm hair, and my arm hair turns like blonde. Like you can't even see on my camera, but like, yeah, it's insane. Like having blonde arm hair is just like an awesome sauce. It's like on the top of my arm. Anyways, because like then it's not like dark, and I don't know. It's just, maybe it's a me thing. I don't know. Anyways, now I'm off to the store. So I just finished in there. Thankfully they took everything. Then they gave me 50 bucks, which I felt like it should have been more, but that's okay. Anyways, I got one thing. I tried on like 50 different things, and I only liked one. If I remember to, or if I can figure it, I'm sure I can figure it out, but if I remember to, I'm gonna put a clip of, or not a clip, but a picture of me like wearing this, so you can see like the vision, because it's gonna be really hard for me to show one-handed. Here, wait. The sun clear. Wait. Oh, okay, hold on. I'm trying here. Okay, never mind. This is good. It's gonna get. But it's just a little. Is that the front? Yeah, it's just a little romper. I think it's adorable. You may hate it, but I think it's really cute, and it has pockets, which is awesome sauce. And I'm gonna wear it for Easter, which by the time this video goes out, it'll probably be summertime. Not actually, but if I stay on my week-to-week schedule, I don't know. This may be put out in like May. No idea. It's spring break right now. But anyways, I gotta get home because we're supposed to be leaving at 4:45 to go to Tulips. Or we're supposed to like go pick up my friends at 2:45. So, or 4:45, and I gotta get like, it's 4:30 right now. So I have to book it home, change really quick. Thankfully my hair is just gonna have to do, it looks like awful, but that's just gonna have to do for now. Here's the outfit. I'm wearing this like floral top, and then I have on jean shorts, and then I think I'm gonna wear my Birks, even though my toe polish looks kind of ratchet. I feel like Birks are like the best option with this. The lighting in my room looks so bad, but just ignore that. And then I put like a little flower clip in my hair. It probably looks bad, but I don't know how to do the like the cute like claw clipness, if you know what I mean. I don't know how to do that. So anyways, this is the fit. Yeah, I hope it's cute. Anyways, I'm just waiting for Jonah to get here. Also, notice how my lip stain looks perfectly fine, and it's like an hour later. Like, it looks perfect. My lip oil came off, obviously, but yeah, I don't know what I was saying. Okay, so I might have to fix this. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, bye. We're picking them up right now. And yeah, it says we're gonna get there like what, 6:30? So we'll get there around 6:30, and I need to look at, that's what I was gonna look at. I was gonna look at the sunset and I totally forgot. I changed my clip, by the way. I was purple, now it's pink, because I feel like the pink matched a little better. Sunset at 7:30, 7:40. So yeah, I'm not sure what that means. Oh, they're here. Oh, just kidding. We just got here.
Oh my lord.
I have to vlog. Are you kidding? Hello? Let's see. Hold on. Ah, flowers, so pretty. So pretty flowers. It's like deathly windy though, so that really sucks. That's okay. So we're having funsies. Jonah's like, well, Hayden and Jonah were both like crashing out about the wind.
I'm not
I mean,
crashing out.
it's kind of really annoying, but that's okay. Our flowers are cute. Dinner. We're at Cracker Barrel. I'll show y'all everything we get to eat because it's gonna be bomb.
Wait, what do you do? You have to? Okay, well, like,
yeah, we're all starved.
Oh, you can't. Oh, okay.
Joan's playing the the game. Here, wait.
We're starved with 50 minutes left to go.
To go home?
Yes.
Can you go back? Like, once you put it down, can you, well, I mean, can you like not go backwards that way?
Okay, so now that you jumped, which one did you jump? This
The
one?
yellow one. No,
So you
no.
take it out.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay.
Chicken tenders and fries and mac and cheese. Hayden, chicken tenders and fries.
Fries, French toast, eggs and bacon.
And then I got pancakes and eggs and sausage. I'm so excited to eat. Nicole and I just got candy because we're bigness. Hold on. Okay, so I got, so they're all a bunch of sticks. It was like 10 for $2. Like, who's gonna pass that up? Not me. Okay, this one is cotton candy. This is strawberry. This is cherry. This is birthday cake, and then this one's also cherry. And then Nicole, she got different ones. Can you even see Nicole's emo back there?
Does this bother you, Jenna?
No.
Okay, this is s'mores, and it's pretty good.
Are you eating it?
Yeah, I am. Birthday cake. We got a root beer.
Bro, Hayden.
Yes.
A root beer for Hayden. Strawberry and banana, but I meant to get butterscotch. Someone put it in the wrong freaking bin. Ugh, that makes me really mad.
You got banana? That's
I didn't mean
disgusting.
to. Did you not just hear me?
Anything banana flavored
I'm not-
makes me want to shit myself.
Yeah, I actually hate banana
I like
flavor.
banana Laffy Taffy.
Oh no, I didn't get taffy. Okay, I'm gonna try the birthday cake one because this one has to be the most like curious. Also, dinner was bomb. Nicole's French toast was not that good, but
No, it's actually horrible.
it was kind of gross because we split it. Like, she gave me her French toast, and I gave her a pancake. Ew, this tastes like cardboard.
What is
It
it?
tastes like cardboard.
Cardboard.
Yeah. Wait.
That's not good. Wait, try your s'mores one.
No, I put it back because I was like, I'm not gonna like it. No, yeah, no, not my favorite. It's okay. I know I like the cherry one, so I'm gonna
What
keep
did you
that.
get instead of s'mores?
I got 2 cherry ones instead.
Because I know I like the cherry.
Well, it was only $2, so it's okay. If you don't
Yeah,
like it.
literally. And I paid it with cash, so it's not real money anyways.
Yeah, you'll forget about it.
Yeah.
Oh, I feel like I can smell it. Your s'mores one. How do you rate it?
It doesn't taste like, I can't, like, I don't know what it tastes like, but it just tastes like s'more.
Oh. Well,
It's like a 6 out of 10.
yeah, the cherry's good. Tastes like medicine. Just how I like it. That makes me sound like a drug addict, but I'm not, I swear. Okay, that's it. I'm doing I'm doing my curly routine on Emily. It just is loud.
I feel like I'm clutching my pearls.
Just wetted her. She's cold.
You dripping on me.
Not drinking water.
You know, it's probably good that my shower was cold because like, I washed my conditioner out with cold water like you're supposed to.
Yeah.
Like a hunchback.
You are a hunchback.
Shush. Actually, my posture is like a million times better at knee hands because
You just stand there.
I just stand there and then you have to look professional, so I'm like, well, I better stand up straight. And I'm also in heels, so it makes it better. So I'm gonna have great posture in the beginning, like 3 months. Okay. I'm scared.
Why?
I don't know.
I'm scared.
Why?
Oh, this is lucky a lot. You don't have very much
I
hair.
don't have a lot of hair.
You have like no hair.
I have zilch. I need to get it cut again because I think it's too long now. It was the perfect length when I chopped it, and now it's not.
Okay, there's like no hair.
Yeah. Yeah. You're welcome.
It's making the crunch sound, so that's good.
Yeah, it does that. It's probably more wavy than curly.
Yeah, probably. Especially
Well,
with
actually, I don't
damage.
know. Well, with all the damage, yeah. But my mommy has really curly hair. She just kills it.
Really?
Well, let me pull up the picture actually because.
Okay, you're gonna have me off, I mean.
What do you want me to do?
Put your head down. You like volume, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna find you a picture of my mom's curly hair.
Okay. I'm gonna get this unstuck from your head.
Yeah, it is kind of stuck to my head.
Is it still stuck to your head? Okay, no.
There's
so brown under here.
Shush. Shush. Don't talk about it.
I'm sorry for hurting you.
It's okay. I'm not that tender. Like I'm tender.
I'm not at all. Like people can like my favorite is when people like braid my hair and they're like really pulling my hair out of my head.
Oh,
Do you know what I'm talking about?
I do know what you're talking about. I don't enjoy that.
Oh, I do. It feels so good. Okay, let's cook in. I think.
Let's cook in?
Okay, now we're doing news. I don't do news very often. I used to.
Okay.
But
Do you want me to stay upside down?
yeah. Okay. To help you get all this volume.
I don't think I have any pictures of my mom's curly hair, but trust me, it gets curly. Like her hair's very fine, but like every single piece is insanely curly.
Your hair's fine too.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can sit it now.
I just
Yeah, throw back. Okay, it's cute. Is it?
yeah. I'm not used to seeing my hair like this.
Okay, I don't know how to do like the cute like finger coils.
So finger coils, I've done them once
I don't know how to
on
do
just
it.
my little tiny baby hairs, so I don't think I can do them very well. You're doing great though. I believe in you.
So I'm trying to like rub it
That's
against
okay.
your face.
I'll be okay. I shall survive. I swear to you, I have a picture of her curly hair. I think that's her profile picture. Oh wait, you know what I can just do? I can just.
Okay, now we're taking the Miss Jessie's curl gel. The best darn soft gel, period. Yeah,
Ooh.
Oh, you look cute there. Okay, I need you to sit up.
Okay. I'm locked in.
Because I have to like coat your hair.
Oh.
It's not working very well. I don't know how to do it on other people.
Okay. Well, I think you're doing so great.
Wait, flip your head again. Sorry. Put up.
It's making this squishy noise.
It is.
I'm gonna find this picture. It's the last thing I do.
Okay, and then I need to go get my diffuser.
So maybe it was further back. What if it was in like 2021? Maybe it was. Maybe it was.
Okay, and then I'm gonna take this.
Okay, she took it. Ooh. Ah, sorry. It's okay. That was not fly.
Why am I like pulling it?
Yes. Ow.
Okay, here you go.
Am I done?
Yeah, I'm gonna get my diffuser now.
Oh, you should be.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay.
Final review. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Wait, it's so weird, but it's so cute. Do you like it or no?
I think I would like it if I had makeup on.
It's so beachy though.
It's so big.
I thought you wanted big.
I did. I don't like when it's flat to my head. I'm not used to this.
It's cute though. I think it is really cute. You just definitely.
I'm
need to
not
get
used to it.
Yeah.
Wait, I should send a picture to my mom.
It turned out really good though.
Yeah, I kind of did.
I
did not-
Like, Loki ate that up.
I did not
Really
think it
hard.
would do this.
No, it looks really good. It's just really, really strange to see with curly hair.
Yeah.
But it's
The
really
closest I get to curly like this is like when I braid my hair. And
Yeah.
even then it's like wavy.
Cute. Yeah, no, this is curly.
Hold on, let me send a picture to my mom.
So cute.